downstairs. Give me a minute, okay? Mom, you have to hide. Hide? Hide for what? It's Tonian.
Tonian? Who is Tonian?
Girlfriend.
Kareem girlfriend?
Just go in the bathroom and then we'll talk about this later, please.
Come
Mom,
on,
just...
Okay.
You can come upstairs. So, what brings you to my house?
Well, I think it's time to have a heart-to-heart, woman-to-woman conversation.
Okay then.
About what? Tiffany, you're not being a good host. You're not going to invite me inside?
Okay. Come inside. You can have a seat there. So, what is this about now?
Alright, make a cut to the chase. You and Kareem still see each other?
I would either man clone girl. I mean, I really come out. If I never one thing, I'm gonna tell you something. Anywhere you find my address and reach up your so, don't make me have to send you back down. Hey, girl. What? So you traveled all the way from, I don't even know, wherever you're coming from, to come ask me about Kareem? Did you ask your man before you came here?
Tiffany, I'm not come here for a confrontation. I just ask you, and if the tone still attack, I'm willing to step back.
Well, I think you're probably like 2 months too late on that offer. I have somebody in my life now. But if you are concerned about whether or not we are still friends, yes, we are.
Whoa, I like when you say that with your chest with confidence.
Yeah, because me confident, I'm not sure about you. You seem a little bit insecure, jealous, possibly threatened by me. Which is it?
Whoa. Calm down. Calm down.
I'm very calm, I assure you. But I need to know because remember, you are the one in my home right now asking me about your man. By the way, how did you find me here? Are you stalking me?
I think this was a very bad idea because I get very delusional. If you now look back, Kareem, and you claim to say you have your man lose him number. But can I use the bathroom?
The bathroom is right there. Hold on. Wait! No water not in there. Water gone from with me, just remember. Wow, my water come back. You can use it. I'm not here.
Remember what I tell you?
And if I don't lose his number?
You sure you want to go down that road with me?
Maybe you need to ask yourself that question then. Moment, hold on. Let me just check if she gone first before you come out so far in the living room.
Alright. Who the girl there? Eh?
Just calm down.
Carmen, you mean to tell me that Karim left you for that?
Mommy, just calm down. A lot has happened since you left, and yes, that is apparently my replacement, but we're gonna work with it.
She fought mommy like bathroom.